How to file your taxes for free in the United States, both federal and state taxes, with online software. An important website to keep in mind every year is IRS Free File. You can do a search for IRS Free File on the internet, but also there's a link in the description of this video. It is irs.gov/e-file do your taxes for free with a dash between each word. At the website, scroll down and click on Explore Free Guided Tax Software. Then click on Browse All Trusted Partners. That will take you to apps.irs.gov/app/freefile/browse all offers with a dash in between each word. This year, there are 2 trusted partners listed that have free tax filing for every state: FreeTaxUSA and Online Taxes at OLT.com. But this year, 2026, to qualify for free, you need to have an adjusted gross income of $51,000 or less. But this AGI limit can change every year, so it's good to check each year. There are other partners that will file for free with an adjusted gross income up to $89,000, like TaxSlayer, but they only file some state returns for free. If you click on the question mark under Free State Return, you can see which states are free. Another option is TurboTax. Most people in the United States are familiar with TurboTax. It's not included on the IRS Free File website this year, but TurboTax does have free filing for federal and state returns without an adjusted gross income limit, but only for some tax situations. So you can look at turbotax.intuit.com, scroll almost all the way to the bottom of the website to TurboTax Online, important details about filing simple form 1040 returns. It says, if you have a simple form 1040 return only, you can file for free yourself with TurboTax Free Edition. Under examples of situations included in a simple form 1040 return, it says W-2 income is supported and interest and dividends that don't require filing a Schedule B. So what's a Schedule B? If we go to irs.gov/forms-pubs and go to the Schedule B Form 1040, the IRS says that if you had over $1,500 of taxable interest or ordinary dividends, then you need to file a Schedule B Form 1040. So that would disqualify you from using TurboTax for free. Back at the TurboTax website, under Examples of Situations Not Included in a Simple Form 1040 Return, it says, itemized deductions claimed on Schedule A are not included for free. Unemployment income reported on a 1099-G is not included for free. Business income is not included for free. So if you are self-employed or a freelancer, then you wouldn't qualify for free. Also, income from rental property or property sales is not included for free. So let's look at the IRS Free File website again. FreeTaxUSA. A personal favorite of many people is FreeTaxUSA. Under FreeTaxUSA at the Free File website, click on View This Trusted Partner to go to the Free File section of Free Tax USA. That will be at freetaxusa.com/freefile2025. If you scroll down about halfway, then you can click on Supported Forms, and then you can see that itemized deductions is included, self-employed is included, rental property is included. They also file Schedule B interest income form. And if you click on items not supported, then you can see that it's a relatively small list. And even if you don't qualify for free filing because your adjusted gross income is over $51,000, then you can still file your federal taxes for free, and the state taxes are $15.99 each. You can see the pricing at freetaxusa.com/pricing. Online taxes at OLT.com. Back at the IRS Free File website, another option is online taxes at OLT.com. Click on View this trusted partner to visit the correct website. It says there, if you do not qualify, your federal return is free and each state tax return is just $9.95. To see the forms supported, click on Get Started. On the right side under Forms, click on IRS Tax Forms/Publications. A lot of forms are included, such as Schedule B, Interest and Ordinary Dividends, Schedule C, Profit and Loss from Business, Schedule K1 Beneficiaries, and Schedule K1 Partners Share. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll see the following forms are not supported. The list of unsupported forms is relatively small. Cash.app taxes. Another product to mention is Cash App taxes. That's at the website cash.app/taxes. It says there, file your federal and state taxes for free. Scroll down and under Is Cash App taxes really free? It says Cash App taxes is 100% free for state and federal returns. Even if you're taking deductions or credits, it won't cost you a penny to file your taxes. But one strange thing about Cash App taxes is that it says you need to download the app on your phone to create an account and log in, but you can complete your taxes on your phone or a computer. It's also difficult to find out which tax forms are supported. So at the top, I clicked on File Now, then I scrolled down to the bottom and clicked on Support. That took me to taxeshelp.cash.app/s. I typed in Forms Supported and then clicked on Forms and Situations Cash App Taxes does not support. There seems to be a lot of forms not supported, like part year state returns, non-resident state returns, foreign earned income credit with non-dependents, Schedule K1 estate and trust income. TaxSlayer. Back at the IRS Free File website, another product to mention is TaxSlayer. It allows you to file for free if your adjusted gross income is $19,000 to $89,000 and you are 67 or younger, or if you are eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC. But only some states are free for filing. Click on the question mark under Free State Return to see the free states. Then click on View this trusted partner. That will take you to freefile.taxslayer.com. Scroll down to State Qualifications. It says, if you don't qualify to file for free, the cost to file a federal return is $22.99, and each state return is $39.99. Under which federal forms can I use? It says, all tax forms, schedules, credits, and deductions are included, meaning all tax situations are covered. Conclusion. Make sure to check the IRS Free File website every year because the trusted partners and the AGI requirements may change from year to year.